try to fix it, so it's best. You see me? Now you feel it. So imagine if it's worse now and they're not here. You understand? You're gonna feel it. Because them got no say. Because it not breathe properly, you see, right? It's not. And if that's the case, it's...
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
What go on? Kino, I call Kino. One Kino, I call Kino. Go on.
Yeah, man, most things good.
Yes, sir. Can't complain.
I'm surprised I'm saying a link here or nothing.
Be smiling over there to you.
Yeah?
Smiling so come over there to you, man.
Alright guys, well, so literally just reached here in Spanish Town. It's been a while, I've been on the site, so now we have to check in and so I go on with Miss Gracey and also the Blind Brothers. Everything goes. Youth on the rise. Bad artist too, Pinedo. Yeah, one artist too, An artist himself too, Yeah, it's not a two-man artist.
Great things,
yeah.
Great things,
We check in on this what's name again? Forget her. No, really. Hello. What? So is everything otherwise?
They said we are not going to fight, they said we,
Yeah. So you buy some stuff from the last time?
Yeah, me buy back the juice and something.
Okay.
Yeah, but so when I say bottom, and we want 2 sheet of ply, we take off the zinc and fix up, you know what I mean?
Okay.
The zinc they want to come out. Yeah, and me want to go sand and look stone and want 2 bags of something for the bottom.
Okay, for the flooring?
Yeah, flooring, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll fix up and so.
So the donation when they get it just to buy some juice?
Yeah, me buy some juice.
Okay. Hey, granddaughter this?
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, and grandma always chilling, right?
Always, that's true.
She don't leave grandma out. My name is Kino. What's your name?
My name is Manda.
Manda. Oh, nice to meet you, Manda. I meet you already, but it's the first time. High five. Which school you go to?
Ariston Basic School.
Okay, you're doing well in school, right? And you speak highly like that. You love grandma, though?
Yeah.
Grandma is your best friend? What you want to be when you grow up? What you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a liar.
You want to be a liar? Oh, that's good. So you come defend some case and win some property for grandma, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good. You want to be a liar. So you know, the money I forgot up. Yeah. This money I for up and everything. Because I always say you're on earth still,
Yeah,
so
man.
Or daddy? Your son? Daughter?
My son, daughter.
Okay, and him still there about and thing, right?
Yeah, he gone on the road and all.
Okay.
They upload me.
You pull out your ear?
Come here, go school back.
Oh, you got school back. So you go pull out your ear, right? So you know make grandma help you or you just want to do it?
Father, I'll pull out
I
it tomorrow,
can't do it
man.
by myself.
You can do it by yourself? Really? Wow. So who did that one that you have in now?
This one,
Who did that?
a lady out there, so
Oh, a lady out here, sir.
she mother buy this to me and make she comb it.
Oh. So now you're putting it out by yourself. How old are you?
Yes, a 4.
You're 4? She a 4?
She have 5, yeah.
Oh.
December, she have 6.
Oh, you're 5.
Yeah, she have 5 now.
So you're going to be 6. Okay, good. So well prime. Well prime. Yes, woman, you don't know the thing goes already,
Yeah,
so
man.
you know if anything comes up, you know,
Yeah,
we definitely reach out.
yeah.
You know, I'm see that at least you buy some, you know, stuff.
Yeah, man, so I buy some stuff. But we need to want some water, you know.
Yeah,
And some fab and then something there.
the place hot.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Drought.
Yeah, man.
Drought. So
Drought.
water sell more than anything,
The
right?
water sell fast, man. Water sell fast.
Yeah, man, water sell more than anything.
Yeah, more
man.
anything else.
Alright then, so I like the look. I'm saying you keep you posted.
Yeah.
You know, if anything comes up, so I'm go check Miss Gracey.
Miss Gracey, the hospital, you know.
She come back to hospital again?
She never come out.
She never come out?
She not come out, man. She the hospital said we have.
From them.
Oh, me a hear like said them she got home scar. She don't nobody to take care of her.
Oh, she got homes.
So me hear in some say me don't know what it is.
Cha.
I told she's so big and so you know, so she can't manage herself, you know what I mean? She the hospital for she never come out, she did the surgery.
Oh, wow. You have to get a number and call her. Can't believe that she in this for so
Yeah,
long.
man, she
About
did them.
2 months now, it's going 2 months, right?
Yeah, about them time then.
So her husband him down there?
My husband, they are town, in work and so come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll come.
Oh, tomorrow will come?
Yeah.
Oh, so her son down there?
Me not see none of them from morning, you know.
Yes,
There was another mad one, a push cat, and then drinking one. But I not see another big one either from morning. From Gampton Road.
Chaja.
She
Never did know, man.
the hospital, she not come out.
Which hospital she is?
Spanish Town.
Oh, Spanish Town. A long time she did that, man.
Yeah, man, a long time she did it.
Then, so I get some information and so we can get through to her.
Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, Manda, that's your name, right? I got it right. High five. Alright, you hear me?
Yeah, man, alright, thank you.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so basically, you just hear what the lady saying that Miss Grace is literally still up to today in the hospital, CMA. So apparently they're going to put her in home, you know, because she don't really have no one to look after her. So that's going to be the case. And bicycle, and our son bicycle, not even there. Like the perfume there too. Nobody not there. Locked up on the door then. A long time she in there now. Very long time. So Keena, so I go on differently.
Most things good, man. I don't complain. Life I keep.
Yeah.
I great, yes. I see.
So the music.
Music good, man. Nah, stop music.
Yeah.
Always a fight with music.
Youth on the rise.
Youth on the rise, always on the rise. I see.
Yes.
Never give up. I see.
Yeah.
Surprised. I see Keenan no link youth on the rise.
That's true, because it was a more time. I look over there to say I see anybody when I drive past.
Yeah,
you say I can give a show, but I never really get a chance to literally stop.
Pull up, you will see now one away.
Yeah.
Start no move door.
Yeah. No move. But One Spain Town. Orlando. Go on.
Yes, sir. Alright, man. You good? You say you good, Judge? You good, you alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright. The boss say I'm good enough, you know. I'm alright, you know?
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
Judge look fresh.
Yeah.
Judge, you are going.
It's good.
You look fresh, Judge. You look fresh.
Yeah.
Boss is here.
Yeah. So everything good though.
Yeah, flow.
Why I'm holding?
Yeah.
I'm holding it.
You want food to eat?
Yeah.
Okay. You get no food for eat.
No.
So when last you get something good to eat? Hey, when last you get something good to eat?
I bet something right on me. Right on me, that's all.
Rice and peas.
Yeah, it's on you.
Jaja.
Oof.
Tough though. So it's Charles. Charles, alright?
Check up.
What go on with you? You alright?
Yeah, alright. I'm holding.
Is he being less responsive now? Am I
No,
responsive?
in flow, so he not really talk as fluent as
Yeah.
he used to.
Oh, the flow him have. Yeah, flow.
Yeah.
No, yeah, he might have a cold too. Two of them have cold.
No, but him now, him start to reply response. Take a little while now.
Oh.
You notice it?
Yeah,
You notice it, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So you know what caused that. Patrick, how you feeling otherwise? How you feeling? You feeling pain? Feeling what you feeling?
No, no.
Just want some food.
Yeah. Some nice food.
Nice food. Yeah. One thing Patrick, if I have something good to eat, is good. That's
Yeah.
food. Don't it?
No, I don't. That's how you want some good meat.
A long time I get something good to eat.
Huh?
A long time you don't get something good to eat.
Yeah, man. But, yo, but, I'm on the line.
Right, sir?
I'm on it.
Me didn't get no money from what day, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I know Alhamdulillah now work, so it's kind of rough for him, you know. I have to stay home and I go and look out for him. Yeah, that's the, you want the water? You want the cup? Oh, you want the cup?
Yeah, sure. Take up the cup here.
And the cup you want?
Yeah. Man.
Patrick?
Uh-huh.
Patrick not so vibrant again. He's not so vibrant, you know, let me say, he's being less responsive as well too than what I'm used to. So I'll go out with Charles.
Charles.
Charles
Yeah, if you talk, try to see if you can talk when you understand.
can't it get worse, man.
So I
Yeah, me there with him. Man.
get a food. I get a little bit of that. You know?
Yeah.
It can get worse, you know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Him say?
Yeah.
You didn't talk anything when you did, I talk about food a while ago. But you not eat as much as you usually eat, cause through flow and out. Nah, eat as much now.
How long now him have that flu there?
Since weekend, I suppose from Wednesday.
Where?
Since Wednesday here.
Why my eyes them look so?
Oh. You see when I left for a long time, remember I have
Yeah, but
the coma.
no, but I'm saying you look pale
Oh.
and he's fighting to breathe. You know, see it. I think you need to bring him in.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, what happened?
Orlando, I think you need to bring him in.
Bring him to the hospital?
Yeah. You need to go in.
Yeah.
Because if I bring him, I could look at charter and him something.
Much I'm charter the charter.
Oh, $1,000 I'm going to feel normally them in time.
I'm going to give you the money for the charter for go and come back. Yeah?
Yeah.
Look, this not look right. This not look right in Orlando.
Alright.
There you see? If you not bring him in, I'm going to lose him. I'm telling you. You have to bring him in. If you not bring him in, you're going to lose him, Orlando. I have to bring him in. I swear. This the stage where I'm at right now. Yeah. Because his nose, he's breathing through his mouth, not through his nose. Because I think the nose is black up. His eyes is not closing. And he don't usually sleep like this, right? He don't usually sleep like that?
No, I know you have a flu, so I breathe properly.
But the eyes usually open when he sleep?
Sometimes, not all the way.
But he don't look how he's supposed to look. He don't look how he's supposed to look, Orlando. He don't look how he's supposed to. Come right here, sir. Come here, sir. Yeah. And him don't look how he's supposed to look.
Yeah.
And when you walk come over here, you realize there's nothing more left.
Yes, Chad.
I'm saying?
Yeah, you want to say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, yeah.
What you say? What you say, Charles? He's too weak to even talk. Alright, now a donation for you.
Yeah.
And also, I'll give you the taxi fare as well too. For you to literally, you have to go bring him in. Yeah, the best thing you bring him in. Because if you're sitting here waiting on him to get better, that don't seem like that's something that's going to literally come back like that. Yeah. But I'm looking now, and if you don't see it, but these in that look like he's in his stages right now. You know? I'm telling you, I don't want to there, and when you walk come over, it's a different story. When you walk come to check on him in the room. You know, if you notice him attack is very weak, words them cannot come out because you might lose everything right now. You know? Oh, this is really sad, brother. I swear. Basically, you can see the situation right now. You can see like it's got worsened from the last time. Cause remember the last time I was here, I was telling you that how it was. Yeah. And now you can see that's worse, 10 times worse from the last time I was here because last time was just over a month. Yeah. And Patrick as well too is being less responsive as well too. You see me I say so. A lack of nutrition as well is also help to making them deteriorate quicker.
The things they don't like.
No. And because that's the case, they're not getting the nutriment for their body and everything, so it's a deteriorate more and more. Yeah. And the case, this is right now, Charles not look good. If you don't bring him in now, it's gonna be a different story. Patrick is getting worse in as well too because that's not him. You can see they're getting pale.
Yeah.
They're getting pale, brother. You know, so here, so this is send for you, you know, from giver as well too. This person is also a giver from the USA, and she did send it for you because she noticed you're always there. I try to help out and everything ain't not working.
Yeah.
So she sent it for you personally.
Okay.
Right?
So I, Orlando, received 10,000 from the giver in USA. My respect. Thank you. Yeah.
So, and the giver did also did. This is $3,000 worth too.
Yeah.
You know, to buy food. You know, the food they want. CMA. So it's $3,000.
$3,000 from the giver.
Yeah.
Yes, I received $3,000 from the giver. USA also.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's to buy food, you know, something for them. So that's what. So you have that. 13. And you say the taxi for go and come in a bit. 1,000 I see them charge you.
Yeah, me have to check around to get a vehicle.
So yeah. Me I give you $4,000, right?
Yeah.
This is more than enough to bring him go. You know, and when he's ready, he can come back. So this is 4,000 I'm giving you for you to go and do that.
Yeah, my respect. Yeah.
So you have more than enough money you can back and forward to the hospital.
Yeah.
You see me? Otherwise, they'll cost you more. You tell you the pain where you go feel and everything, and where all this look. If you don't move, you know, it's gonna get worse. I'm gonna want to get that call from you. If you go tell me, say, yo, this happened.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah.
Best thing them can keep him there for a couple of days and give him some trips and give some things that needed. Right now you don't have it to literally if you maintain to look after them.
Yeah.
You see me? If you bring him in, you're gonna lose him. You know, like so Patrick as well too. So if you can do one at a time and bring him, you see me and say and do something. He's not the child that we used to, you understand? Him literally losing it, brother. He's literally losing it. Look too pale. He's too pale. And he not eat nothing, right?
Yeah, I give him some porridge since there.
But he might consume the porridge or
yeah, he consume.
And if we put on some clothes for him and get a drive to bring him, you know, you have to. I talk to you.
Yeah, may I hear it, Chaz?
You say something? Huh? You can't even talk. Listen, if you want help with him now, you can put on them clothes. Yeah? You want to go get that drive, and we can help you bring him out.
No, normally somebody in the ear more than try contact if they're available. That is what comes to my mind.
So you have somebody you can contact?
Yeah, I have a number for somebody around here. I don't know if them available.
You want to call him?
Alright,
You have credit?
Yeah, I have credit.
Yeah. He's coming, yeah? He's coming. He's coming. You need to. No, sir. This is literally on a different level, Orlando. Yeah. Ah? What you say?
Yeah.
Huh? I can't hear you.
Yeah, even Charleston. Yeah, man, I tell you, say Charleston I talk to you. Yeah, what me did ask you, say, I don't know if you're available, could I carry my name down to Spanish Hospital? In the evening, yeah.
No. can
Where they at work? Oh, so, yeah, where, you not come for this evening? 5 o'clock? Yeah, man, I couldn't get him ready by that time. No, I say if at 5 o'clock you come round, by that time I couldn't get him things ready.
Yeah.
Alright, so me have wait for him. Yeah.
So him say?
Him there at work. So, instead, him supposed to leave work 5.
5.
And nearby.
So that's basically the next hour.
Yeah.
Less than an hour.
So I just go and look something for
Get him ready.
yeah.
Get him ready. I'm guaranteed I'm gonna keep him down there for a couple of days till him at least get back. You know?
Yeah.
I need to. Because I'm in a sense there and I hope to see him get better. Hope to see the flu leave. You see me? We my breed now. Can you do one that turn into a new Mona?
I'm not sure I do him, you know. Because I say I flu, but him a tell me say when him a chew like a food, the rice and so, him feel pain in chest.
In chest.
Yeah, so I'm not flu alone here.
So that means if he's feeling pain while he's chewing and I swallow, he might feel the pain.
Yeah,
No.
them tell me that.
No.
Eh? He must say something. Can't be hear what he's saying.
What is it? Yeah, man, alright.
What him say?
I'm not too sure.
See, you can.
Alright, so yeah, I just look some.
Yeah, look so.
Close.
Close. And you see from you're struggling to understand what he's saying.
Yeah.
You know what time that is. It's gone too far now. See, man. Because if you notice, he's trying to sleep every time. And every time you wake up and I try to say something to you. You have tall sleeve as well too, right?
Yeah, you know some present. But me just I go through what we can.
Bring tall sleeve shirt, feel, put them in there because you know they have the AC on, so in there will be a bit cold feel. So you want to bring some tall sleeve when you can put on. A short sleeve that.
Yeah, me just I put them in there, but just I get something.
Boy. Cat a fight. Ah guys, as you can see, like the struggle is real. What's going on with this cat? Meow.
Stop the fighting.
Put on that. You can put on that on him.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, that's the best thing we can do. All under more than you're here, and not knowing what's gonna be the end result.
Yeah.
You know, so better is making them go and have a look on him. She's gone too far, brother. Too far. Too far. Okay. You want help? You close
No, me have one bag in the rich for me still, so I go for one bag to fold them in.
Yeah. I was really sick, bad. You might forget bringing me in. Yeah. Yeah. I get worse as well too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright, man. Alright.
Let us talk. Let something.
Yeah, I left something, man. I leave something so you get something to eat, yeah?
Yeah.
I leave something. Because the children not getting enough nutrient for them body, and then they might deteriorate more and more because there's nothing to supplement the body where it needed. There's no supplement at all them getting. So even when they're sick, that's even worse. Take a bigger toll because they don't have nothing to fight it. You know, they don't have nothing at all in them system to fight it. So in the make sense, them sit down and play a waiting game for them get better, and then you know, because it's not getting better, it's getting worse.
Only this alone him can get better.
Yes. So that's why I'm gonna make him bring him go down there. They're not gonna work out. Tell him what gonna end up happening. They're gonna leave from over there so, and go over there to check on him, and he's not there anymore. You know, because if you look on him, like literally he's gone. It's gone. Yeah. It's gone.
Hospital, right? That's it.
Yeah.
So later you can go circling.
Yeah. So instead of drive say for 5 o'clock, they might come. So might just pack some
Say
stuff.
I can pack some pampers.
That least Patrick always be the one where not so like him. Yeah, no, them are not twin.
Yes, sir.
What's up, Charles? What you saying? You gonna bring a doctor, yeah? I'm gonna get some nice food and take care of you down there. Okay? Huh?
Yeah.
Can't understand. Guys, I'm saying we just need to just pray for them, you know. Pray for the best outcome, literally, because we really need a prayer right now, you know. The son alone cannot do it because he's not working, because he must literally try to stay home literally to just to look out for them. if you're a new viewer, that's his son, Orlando. The next one over here, Orlando uncle. So they're both two brothers, you know. So glaucoma, yeah, blighting their vision, so they cannot see as well too. But them being sick, lack malnutrition as well too. You know, so it's been up and down with them sickness, and then know if it's not getting the nutrient that they literally needed, it's not good. There's no way you're gonna see like they're gonna get better. George. Where is George? What happened? Huh? Repeat that. The radio? Yeah. Oh, you want the radio turn on?
Yeah.
Alright, he might come. He might put on some clothes and Charles, okay? You need help?
Yeah.
You need help?
Well, mate, you see, you have a habit to keep on and take off the pampers, so what we need to do is put on the pampers when we know a person near for reach. That we need to do. So, the backpack. Let me see how much shirt. Should I put one more shirt here?
Orlando.
Yeah.
So what do you feel about the situation? You're crying now, right? Yeah, because you can see that because...
No, I just know that when the place is still but the situation I just part of life.
Yeah. I know you don't like it, but it make no sense because you don't like all them places there. They're going to be here and then you know what's going to happen. You understand? Because you're not in the health field to know what to do. You see, because you cannot see what's going on with him. You only can assume right now from where I tell you, and from where I tell you, you still not really know the solution, how to try to fix it. You know, so it's best. You see me? Now you feel it. So imagine if it's worse now and they're not here. You understand? You're gonna feel it even more if you know say come over here and he's not here anymore. You know? Which is best if you bring him in one at least. There's a chance to put him on drip, give him some nutrient and try to build him up back. Because they're not gonna let him up back right now because they're gonna say because he's not breathe properly, you see, right? He's not. And if that's the case, it can be a case. Can't assume because looking at him, me, we don't know what's the problem. But me coming here from them times till now, I know how them used to is. And from the last time I've been here, over a month now,
Yes,
now, it's worse.
You want water?
You want water? Wow, it's really, really sad. You know, sad. Sad, sad, sad.
Oh!
You can't drink the water, right?
You can't drink no more.
Cold.
You're cold?
Yeah, what?
But make you feel hot.
That's the thing now. That is it. If him cold and the time is hot, that means say there's a problem there.
Yeah.
You understand? Put on the clothes on him like I'm cold, let him say him feel cold, put on the clothes on him.
Eh?
Put on the clothes on him. Just put on the pampers, see me. Just put it on and then put on him pants. Alright guys, so he's changing his clothes right now. Wow. See now Orlando is literally feeling it because him just come to realization literally what can take place if him don't make that move, you know. Literally because now he's crying and thing. You know, because that's his dad end of the day, you know, so it doesn't make sense here not knowing what's going to be the outcome of the situation more than sitting and waiting, you know. And it's a good thing I could have come at this time as well too, to try to get an assist for him to go into the hospital to see at least what they can do and then go inside there, you know. So charter drive is in the driver will be here like literally probably in about next half an hour or so, you know. So he's getting him ready from now so he can literally bring him in, you know, because his need to go in now, you know. It doesn't make sense we wait, you know.
Mr. Make it stay. So I see him to me that request it.
No, but what
keep on and drag them out.
just put on the pants now on him. Put on the pants on him. So he's gonna have to take it off. Well on Charles. Charles, make it stay, Charles. Charles, just make it stay, okay? Make it stay.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, well.
Yeah, make it stay. It might help you because you need to put it on. I'm bringing you outside to get some nice fresh air, okay? Put on your pants.
Yeah.
Huh?
What
you say? Huh?
Yeah.
No, don't drop your pants.
No,
Keep on the pants.
let the pants stay, Charles. You have to keep on the pants. Because you're going to go inside, you're going to go in the car, so you need to have on the pants to go in the car.
What?
Stretch your foot up. Lift it. You have to remember, Sean put the belt on. Look in the rim dry.
Belt can fit him waist.
If you dry it, we go without it.
Alright, put it on if it can and just dry it out.
I don't remember when you car through, you know, up on the road.
Yeah, a long time.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Alright, Charles, leave it, Charles, leave it. Yeah, just leave it. You have to leave it for me, okay? Yeah. Huh? Where is it? Him say food?
Yeah.
You want food?
Yeah.
Alright, now, Charles, leave the pants. Leave it. Remember, you're going in the car. You have lace?
Yeah, I'm supposed to count.
Use a lace. Use a shoes lace. Lace hold it up better. Huh? Can't even understand. You know, I used to understand him, but now I can't understand him. You want something? You can't find it.
I'm supposed to have rag.
One shoe. I use a.
Our shoes on, but I'm not really the one bother put on a shoes for him.
No, you know slippers.
Slippers?
No, slippers for him.
Slippers for him?
You want him ready to
Slippers are supposed to can wash and give.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, man, make you get something. Yeah? Yeah, no. Huh? What you say? I am struggling right now to understand anything. No. That's at the best time now for bring him in more than weight. Because if we never come over here now,
you see like you want to blow shot and
blow shot. Huh? George?
You are blow shot.
So?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sure, super good.
What's up? No, leave the pants. Leave it. All under coming. Just hold on, he's coming, okay?
Stop, do that shot.
Can you help him volume up?
I take him out.
No, take him out.
Let's hold him up.
Alright, can I put him? Don't try. I said don't dry off my stomach. No, I'm not put it on yet.
Okay.
Just the camera on chair.
Alright, so so all set now for when the drive come, right?
Yeah, man. Everything. And I feel like orange.
Alright then, Orlando, so just give me a call when the drive come and when you reach the hospital, you know what I go on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? So that's the best thing that you can literally do more than you have in here. Because if you end up feeling more, you know.
Come see me last week together. Because maybe we would have there and you call and tell you say.
That happen, you understand? So the best thing that for them can take a look because we used to like them place there, but at this stage right now, you need a bit of that place right now. Because we can't hold them up. You know, because
Yes, Chaz.
me can.
Yeah?
Because me can't tell us I know how it feels if I lose a mother and a father because I haven't lost none. You see, but you know, people lose, trust me. Now for them, wish they could have still be here same way. So more or less prevention, you know, so it's still here same way. You know, I'm saying them will help them out more. you know, put him on drip, can build him back up. So at least now, you know, him up a little bit more. Because where you might give him food, but where you give him now do nothing. You see me, because it not have the nutrient where yes. You know, so at least now them will have him to look after. So you have to go into emergency, yeah?
Me know.
Straight in emergency. So then you can deal with him right away. So we're gonna wait in here.
Yeah. Yes, Charles.
You said just give me a call soon as, yeah? As you leave, just give me a call and let me know how I go on after. Yeah? And tell me what I say. So,
my respect. Yeah, respect.
Yeah? Just keep him posted, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Charles! Charles, soon come, yeah? Just go and take it easy, yeah? You go alright. Alright? Yeah, man, we'll put in a car. So the driver was good for help you as well, right?
Yeah, man. Here around here I live, you know.
So I'm good, I'm help you.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Best solution, right? George, now hear you. George, I'm going now, yeah? Yeah, man, I'm alright.
Everything alright?
Yeah, everything alright. So we talk here, yeah? Alright then, big up. Yeah, man. Alright.
God love it.
Yeah, man.
George. Yeah, man. Big up, George.
God love it. George.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
George, look come on.
Thank you.
Yeah. You take care.
Yeah.
Yeah, in line him up already and everything.
Yeah, respect. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Go on, take it easy, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Go on.
I'm searching on dryer. Boy, I try getting blood purge out, because you know, say, my work on that one here, you know.
You might work on that one, yeah. Say my purge out. Mr. Jackson, you're purging?
Yeah, man, you know,
That's a purge.
drink it out sugar, you know. Most of everything it out sugar, you know.
Yeah.
No sugar more time.
So you're surging or you're purging?
Purging.
Purging and surging.
Everything you want.
You have to bring some for Wow Chef.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Give me guy. Need some for
Bring some for Wow Chef. Yes.
That smell
Rich.
Yeah.
Man.
Really rich, that one, yeah. Yeah, man, not all this purge in the system, you know. Well, Jackson look like you want the whole tree. Bring.
Yeah, no, because of Jesus. One guy the big better to understand of Jesus.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Down upstairs, yes, a big better.
Yes, sir. That's what the system need, you know. Why, can you eat them when they're ripe? Oh, we call it honeycup?
Yeah, honeycup, alright.
Honeycup, right, remember, yeah. Remember now, I look at you, yeah, true.
Yellow.
Yes. Red man, red, that's right. Green and all.
Cherry, man, cherry them pretty. Alright, Jordan.
Kobe.
Yeah, listen, man. Kobe.
Go.
You take them couple cherry, man. You can take them couple. It's sour. Sour?
And then a good for you, not too sweet, not good for your belly. When you bitter and sour, that's good for you.
One for me. Watch your bunch there. Whoa.
I wake up my jawbone. I want to kind of wake up the jawbones, you know? Gio, what is it? Gio, not the jawbone, what you say? Yes, man. Touch the jawbone, though.
Sour, man. Them look so pretty. Yeah.
Cheers. Good day.
That's I'm saying everything with our one.
It look pretty, but it's sour.
Sour.
Mr. Jackson?
You think now with your boat on a phone.
Pull the jawbone and lock it
Pull the jawbone and
lock it back. And they pull that one him.
They make them, I'm a judge, don't drink some soup, you know.
One of them.
So bad the two.
A mint tea that, you know?
Yeah, mint tea that, you know.
So that's the mint, you know, drink. No, that's mint. A mint. Gracey mint.
Big piece and kitchen, man.
Yeah, man, that's easy to catch, you know.
Pick Gracey mint. Because when Gracey watching the video, you're going to see the Gracey they picking the mint off the tree. That's Rasta Jackson is Gio.
Yeah, Gracey. Gracey, hopefully you come out of the hospital.
Yeah, everything alright. Come there, go and pick 2 mint. A genius come look for you when you see you.
Mm-hmm.
So pick 2 mint, wild tea,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drink the mint that you needed to. Drink the mint. So it smells good?
Yeah, it smells good.
Alright guys, so we're going to head back home right now because trust me, situation is sad over here.
Spinach.
Oh, spinach, pear doodle on it.
Stronger.
Guys, so it's really sad to see what the blind brothers them is literally going through, you know. So we hope everything will literally go well, you know, and the best thing the son could do is bring him to the hospital. Tobacco. Oh, tobacco is.
This the man named Bon and Sarah Grabber?
Yeah.
And this is the grabber who not smoke?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, for real? You feel how leave them feel robbery?
I did say no more.
See, this? Yeah. That's why now go man just pass through and come burn it.
It's chemical panic.
Oh, so see now the natural grabber there for go build up a split now. Go build up a split now. Oh, we sit?
No, I'm not smoke grabber.
Oh, get the grabber man then.
You train a pass. That be love when you are using all the speed.
No. Alright, yeah? Yeah. Well, I see the train there.
Train around here?
Yes, sir.
The industrial train. The passenger train. Passenger train runs here?
Where is the train?
No. Let's see that.
Choo-choo train. Choo-choo train.
Long walk.
No, you can't see the back.
Good old Jamaica train. I want to sit here right now. Hey, long, you know? I know you can't see the back. See them white thing there?
Empty, you know.
It's not empty.
See the head of the train? I draw the whole of
It smell something now? Alright, happy? Alright. Where is going?
Post festival.
Where is that?
Wolaba.
Wolaba.
Get a pick up back.
Oh.
A gear in clicking back a gear a while ago.
Okay. Yeah.
Tell me I tell them that you can't. When I reach out, End of this game.
Alright guys, so basically we're just literally leaving now, Spanish Town. And as you can see, the situation with the blind brothers, you know, and it's not looking good. So we hopefully can get better when you get a chance to reach to the hospital, you know, because it's looked worsened from before. You know, the last time we was here was over a month and a half ago, you know, until now it's literally got worse. So the best thing we could have literally suggest is for him to the hospital, because it's not looking good, you know. And Ireland know the son, which is him don't have an idea of what's going on, but he's just playing that waiting game just to hope he will be alright, you know, which is that's a case that you don't want to gamble on, because you don't know what's the situation or how bad it is, you know, and it's not looking good, you know. So at least so there's a percentage when he go to the hospital, they'll literally put him on drip and try to, you know, give him some nutrient that is needed, you know, and now we hopefully everything is alright from then, you know. So I guess they need that attention right now from some care from the doctors, you know. And also the next brother as well too, you know, it's not so bad as Charles, but they can see that they're into that stage right now, you know. So you know, pay attention, you know what the pain is gonna feel like, you know, and it's not really good for when, you know, you lose a loved one so close, you know. So as you can see, he was also crying because he kind of understand what is going on and see that his dad can't even breathe properly, you know. And I don't know what that could be, you know, and knowing that pneumonia is a thing that when you're in certain type of immune system in a certain type of way, you can literally catch anytime at all, you know. So just hope for the best and everything, you know. So we're heading back now in Trenchtown, there with Rasta Jackson here.
Yeah, all over.
We have G over there.
Yeah, big up in a one chill thing.
Yeah, and we have Pinedo.
Yeah man, the one Pinedo man. Big up on yourself, viewers and subscribers, man. You hear that?
Yes man, so heading back in, you know. So guys, you know the thing goes already, so just blessed love. I remember to stay tuned, you know, and continue watching and see what's gonna happen, you know. So blessed love.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.